down there, but I think he knows to go down there.
Yeah.
He's a puppy.
Are we being buddies? Huh? Are we being buddies?
Loves people. This breed is very intuitive. If you have an issue, any kind of health issue,
Sweetie pie, look at that
whatever,
face.
they pick up on it, and they'll be your best buddy and keep you happy.
Yeah, what a good buddy.
This is Iris. She's she's an Australian Terrier from Russia.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I didn't know you were an international doggy. I didn't know I was going to get a great big doggy hug today. My goodness. This must be the best day ever.
They can do that. She thinks she's done, but she's not really.
There we go. My goodness. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, that's a good girl.
Hi, sweetie. You're so cute.
She's ready
So
to
soft.
rock with border terriers there.
Oh, jeez.
Believe it or not, they're really mellow in the house.
Well, you terriers got to hang out with each other, right?
Yeah, they're all busy. Are you busy? Are you really busy?
There we go. And I like it. I love this.
Wear herself out today, boy. She is so raring to go. She can't relax.
I know. This is too exciting, isn't it?
It is pretty fun. Where are you going?
It's going in circles.
You're just circling.
Look at you. Hi. Look at that. Are you trying to get your picture taken, huh, sweetie? I know. I just got a hug down the way there. Like, yeah, well.
Are you enjoying your day?
Oh, so far. Are you having fun? I know you are. Are you starting to sack out already? I know that's the thing, is there's so much stimulation.
Yeah.
After.
There was a bird flying around and she was fascinated with that for about 20 minutes and now she's resting.
Yeah, I was down by the one of the Afghan hounds, and the blonde one was just kind of, not paying attention. And all of a sudden,
Yep.
there you go, puppy. There you go, little puppy.
How are you today?
Oops, sorry. toys? Oh, I used to have, I've had a couple of poodles. I just miss that little face so much. I know, there's more exciting things going on.
Like all these dogs, I want to say hi.
Yeah. You sure are fuzzy. And I love your tie, though. I love your little tie.
Ash, I think she's trying to get a